Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a super cute summer bucket list board with all kinds of inspiration to get excited for your summer so your children will have a fun visual guide. We've used this in the past. It's so helpful and it's actually really fun to build anticipation for events because you just put your special trips on there and birthday parties and the themes and all the stuff, and they get to pull it off as they do them. Really fun way to get motivated and pumped for your summertime festivities and activities. So let me show you how I do it. If you live at the beach, it's perfect to do that there. I love to bring my magazines and do like visual board essentially and collage work at the beach. I love to flip through the magazines and find all the inspiration for the summertime. I like to dream big. Even this little cruise on the Mississippi looks amazing. I'll pull everything out and decide later what goes on the board. Getaways, beach, dining at the beach, shell collages, shell crafts, homemade ice cream, game nights, all the things. We love gaming in our house. Cut it all up or paste it on construction paper just with basic glue. It just makes it really sweet and fun. Another thing that would be really cute is to add little envelopes with like little vouchers, like a free ice cream or a free movie night or family movie night or some kind of scavenger hunt type activity. Could be cute to add to the board too. I also thought I need to drape some like shell garlands and some really cute stuff on here. But here we have like homemade lemonade, jewelry making, kebab night, glamping, our Disneyland trip, videoing, YouTube videos. All of these things are so fun. So I wanted to show you how I make the summer bucket list, and what I do each year is I have this like huge corkboard. It's really big. And I just like cover it every year with a different, sorry, it's so windy outside, with a different wrapping paper. Right now I'm really into the pink and white stripes, so I was just going to cover this whole thing with this and have that cute white border. There's like this pretty frame that it came with. It just looks extra summery and it looks cute with the colors for all the summer bucket list items that I've made and you saw. And then I was gonna hot glue these little clothespins, and I might even paint these if I get crazy, for each selection. So you can just like take it off the clip, and that'll be like our way of marking it off. Instead of doing a check, we're just gonna take it off the clip, and then we'll have like empty clips, and that's how we'll know that we achieved that fun goal or did that fun activity. So let's do that. Here it is. It came out so cute. Homemade ice cream, kebab night, beach, glam. I so hope this inspired you to make a summer bucket list for your family and customize it for your special summer. Please be sure to subscribe, smash that like button if you're enjoying this video, and I will see you next week.